it's your girl, Amanda Paris.
And your girl, Phoenix Sky. Hi.
And today we are doing Summerween activities.
I'm so excited.
I'm so excited too.
There's just a really popular cartoon that is on, and I guess that show is based in summertime. So they just wanted an excuse to do something for Halloween before Halloween actually gets
Sounds like
there.
us.
So sounds just like us. And they decided to call it Summerween. So it's just Halloween in the summertime. People that love Halloween so much want to celebrate twice a year. So we're gonna have some fun little Summerween activities.
I think it makes it way better.
I think so.
We are going to be making spicy blood orange margaritas. Oh, so excited.
Caliente.
We'll be super cute on theme skull glasses.
Yeah, I'm such a nerd. Literally, I'm obsessed with Halloween so much. I already have like so many of these decorations.
It's perfect.
Like, all of this I already had. Like this is just part of my everyday decor.
I had to buy stuff.
It's summer life for me. I feel like
Summer...
it's Halloween life for me.
Yes.
Halloween life?
every day.
Hello life.
Anyway.
All right, ingredients.
Ingredients. Shaker cup.
Check.
Check. Tequila.
Ish. Check.
We have the good stuff, but we don't want to mix that, so we're gonna.
Yeah, we might take a shot of that,
Yeah.
but
Yes.
for the cocktails.
For the cocktails, we have the rest of it.
Yes.
And then blood oranges are out of season, so they did have a handcrafted blood orange mixer, margarita mixer. So we are going to be using this in our cocktails.
That's
Easy
exciting.
peasy. I hope it tastes
From
good.
Sicily. Ooh la la.
Ooh, so fancy.
Okay.
All right, so let's get some ice.
How comfortable are you? Do you have a preference on what you like to slice? Okay, well then I'll grab a little one for the jalapenos then.
Oh, I was going to cut the jalapeno with this. No?
Yeah, right.
It's
Speaking
okay.
of Halloween,
Okay, so you want to cut this?
Sure, yeah. I think you cut the grapefruit with that. Oh, the grapefruit's for the garnish anyway, so I guess it doesn't really matter.
We could
right?
pre-cut. I feel like...
Okay, for $10,000, would you take a bite of this jalapeno?
How big of a bite?
Like a solid bite, like half a jalapeno.
Half? like a bite, you know, like a little
Oh no.
half for
Ah.
10K.
Decisions.
I'm like trying to decide how to cut this because it's so big. It's so big.
Too big to fit in here. Remember that movie? You know, watch
Too
that
big
movie.
to go in there.
Oh,
I want it to be
classics.
nice
No,
and
you
like juicy. Yeah, there we go. That's a good garnish. Right here. Yeah. We don't need all those
Like a
seeds.
little- I don't even know.
Oh, like a little spoon? Oh, I have a little tiny spoon.
Oh, cute. Okay,
Ooh.
cool.
Whew.
Yeah, potent.
I smell it.
Yeah, always have to make sure you wash your hands after you handle anything spicy,
Mm.
because you will forget. You'll scratch your face, you'll scratch your eye or something, and then it'll be on
Let
fire.
me
all
get
night.
all this.
All right, I think we don't need the whole jalapeno, right? We just need the little.
No, we just need some pieces. I think that's good.
I like a medium spice to my cocktails. If it gets too spicy, then I'm just not a happy camper.
That's a lot of jalapenos, you crazy.
You think so?
Well, it's fine. It's gonna be
You have a
spicy.
strainer, right? No, this is for this
Yeah.
is to yeah.
That's what this is.
Like I think if it was like jalapeno juice, it'd be more aggressive, but I don't think it's
So I
too
feel like
bad.
we should fill up our cups with ice.
Okay, so that was you do that. Okay, cool. I think that's fine.
Yes. Oh.
Yeah, let's do that.
Okay.
Alright, cool. Also need ice with a shaker, right?
Oh yeah.
I'm going
All right. So are we making one at a time? I guess so, because this is
to. Yeah, that's a little.
2 ounces of tequila.
Oh, okay. I don't know
Oh,
what that
God.
means. Smell what we're saying.
Wait, I don't know if you. Why is this so hard to open?
When was the last time you opened it?
Oh.
Oh, there it is.
Ooh. 1, 2. Sure. That seems right.
Listen, if we were at a bar and somebody did that to me, at the bartender, I think I'd be really upset.
It's like halfway full. You want more in there? We can put more.
Miss Digi? Sure. Yeah, that'll be better.
This is 4 ounces of this. Sure. That's all it looks like it's gonna fit in there.
Shake it.
Shake it.
This is the happy tequila dance.
All right.
All right, do you want to try it first?
If it's too strong, I'm gonna give it to you.
It's not as orange as I was hoping. We forgot to put the tahini on the cups.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Fuck.
Yeah. It looks very summery though. It looks super like summery cute. It just doesn't.
It needs more juice. Okay, so that was the first one.
Okay, not bad.
Not bad. Don't forget to rim your glass first.
Yeah, don't forget. 40?
I like.
Yeah, so I think if we like. So excuse me, pardon me. Ugh. Accidental boob grace.
Yeah, and then rub that on there.
You want it all the way?
Juicier rim. Yeah.
Juicier the better. I'll let you take over.
Perfect. I'll just roll it and the thing.
Oh my god, it looks so cute!
Oh, look how cute that is.
It's turning out so well. Yeah, for the
We're just gonna pretend that doesn't happen.
Oh, shucky.
And I feel like
like.
just make it a little. There we go.
Okay, sure.
Nothing to see here. I wanted it full. Oh, it's so
And
cute.
then throw a little garnish on there. Yeah.
And then we're gonna. Boop.
And let's throw a little just for looks. Just like throw a
Oh, a
little.
jalapeno.
That way they don't spicy.
Okay. So now. So cute.
Delicious. Okay.
I think you could just throw. This one could be yours.
1, 2, 3.
Oh God.
Oh. Yeah, we'll just. Girl math. Alright, so I'm sure if I fill this up, that'll be perfect. And then
Yeah.
put it at the top
You need a
of
bigger
this.
shaker, clearly.
This is like good for shots, for like chilled shots.
Yeah.
I feel like if my chest moves with it, then I know if I'm really getting in there.
Shake it good.
Dude, my ass is shaking too. What the hell? Oh, it's getting a little jiggly back there. Okay. All right, here we go. Ooh. That's what we want to see.
Yes. Shake it out.
Yeah, baby. Okay.
Put this here. We get a little.
Boop. Ah! Yay! Okay, so do we taste this at the same time?
So cute. Oh, I forgot straws. All right. The moment of truth.
Pray.
I'll give you a little butter.
Little stir. All right, cheers, baby.
Right.
Cheers.
Cheers. Happy
Cheers.
Summerween.
Happy Summerween.
It's pretty good. It could be even spicier, to be
Yeah, I
honest.
kind of think so too.
Could add in more jalapeno. Oh, the tahini.
The heat.
That's nice.
Oh, damn, that's good. I think even a little bit more jalapeno, and I think
Yeah.
I'd be like in love with this.
Yes.
Yes! Oh my
So
god, that's so cute. Not as orange as I was hoping, but I feel like it's still very summery looking.
Yes.
So I think that's
Summery.
Still
Summery
vibe.
and scary.
That wasn't scary.
That was supposed to be my.
Scary voice.
I wanted to put this in our
Just
drinks, and Phoenix was like, "We cannot do that," but it's.
I was like, we cannot blaspheme the quality of tequila, darling.
Okay,
But we're here, so I think, you know,
let's do it.
a little...
You want to do it out of these shot glasses? The skull.
Oh my god, yes, should we? So I forgot I brought these. And again, this is just
These are
things
perfect.
I already have at home. I love this for me. They've got these little skull hands around the glass. And I'm obsessed with them. I love them. So I'm going to do a quick little
Shot
little chilled shot.
for the fans.
Yeah. A booge.
Should we chill it?
Yes, baby girl. You gotta stay fancy around here.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
1, 2, 3, 4,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Is that good?
I know it's fine.
You said half
Sure,
shot.
because it's like good shit, right? I don't want to like drink too much of the good stuff.
All right.
Okay. This has 1 sip of tequila.
Whoops.
Whoops.
My shaker was leaking.
Oh, sophisticated.
Cheers. Happy Summerween. Oh gosh, that's good. Woo!
She's wonderful.
Okay. That's a wrap on today's video. We hope you had as much fun as we did making our Summerween Spicy Blood Margarita cocktails.
Yeah, I had such a great time. Thank you for
Me
having me. I'm glad we
too.
got to do this together.
We have to
I
do
think
it again.
We have to try it one more time during actual Halloween
Yes.
season and get proper blood oranges. But this was delicious, and I loved it so much. If you guys try it at home, let us know what you think.
Leave us a comment down below.
Yes, please comment. Subscribe to both of our pages, and I'm so excited to keep doing more stuff and hang out with you guys so much more. So
make sure to like this video, turn on notifications, and subscribe. Catch you guys on the next one.
All right, see you later.
Bye.
Cheers.